Good morning, everybody. So, I hope everybody okay. It's not a very good weather outside, but yeah, overall, we have to survive. Even if March going to be finished, but no summer yet. Anyways, today we have an interesting job. It's a micro job, like very tiny one. I'll show you. The Samsung earbuds. Normally we use for our phone. The customer bring to me because it's not charging. So this is the box of that, the charging box also here. I'll show you how to do the basic. There are only few steps in this. So I'll show you how to fix the main charging issue. Okay, let me move the camera down so just you can focus and see this stuff close by. Okay, this is almost in the middle. Perfect. Okay, so Samsung, it have some on the left side. It have some issue. So just let me move it a little bit up so I can be easily show you guys. Okay, so for that, first of all, we had to take out this plastic, a rubber over there. It have a rubber ring, so just take it out. This one, just keep it safe. And it have a lock inside here, so you have to just see the points over there. There is some points. Just pull it nicely, and when you pull it, there is a small micro jack. See, in this is the main micro jack here. What you have to do, what happened normally, when it dropped it, so the jack that got loose. So this is the main reason it stopped charging and you can't hear anything. If it's working, but that's in the back side, you can't see the light over there and you can't see anything. So what you have to do with the small, very minor micro tweezer like this. This is very micro, especially for the small equipment. So you have to pull nicely on the both side and just pull it nicely, and then here you go. Here you go. So you just see that this is a very micro jack. Just pull it out and put it back. Be careful because this is a very tiny one, and if you put the wrongly, it might damage the. So just press harder and make sure it should be attached properly. So this is all you have to do, and make sure the points over there, the pointers are there, and then press it again. That's it. Let me just clean up a little bit because it looks messy here. Of course, you have to sanitize, before giving to the client. You have to sanitize this whole area and then put the rubber back, and we will test it. Here you go. Now we'll try to put it and see the charging is going on or no. You will see now the light is here. Are you able to see the light or no? No, I think this camera. Let me turn off my light and then you can see the light here. Let me turn off this one as well. Okay, now I think you guys can see that the light. When you take it out, the light is green. And when you put it back, the light goes red. Main it start charging. That's all. Just cover it up for a few minutes. And then we can attach with the phone and see if it's working or no. So we'll just try to play some music, take it out and play some music. You can see now it's start working. You can see I'm touching here. Yeah, I can hear the voice. Let me put them close to microphone. Let me just take out my microphone. Just a second. I hope you guys can listen the voice now. The music is there from the both side. So this is the very short and quick repair for this kind of birds. I hope you guys can see the both. Now the both start working. Perfect. We have to charge it because this is not charging, is not perfect. Need to be more charged. So just put it for a while. Okay, let me put the camera on. There you go. Okay, let me turn on my light because the face is very dark. so, so here's the thing, sometimes it's a very easy job. Only thing you have to be open the device with the care so you cannot damage because this is a very micro tiny stuff. What happened, sometimes when it dropped it, when you use it, it just dropped it. The jack goes to be a little bit loose and it happens like after a few times you drop that earbud and it's very small, it's just drop normally. So this is the way how you have to fix it. This is the basic thing, and then good to go. Just charge it and use it. I hope you like my video. It's just short video. Share it. Maybe somebody needs this help. Take care of yourself. Have a wonderful day, and we will definitely come back with some new videos. Like it and share it. Be part of sharing. Wonderful day. Bye now.